Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way. And as we start going, we turn. Look at me. Do your pizza. Do your pizza. Bigger pizza. Make it stop. There you go. Okay, you know what?
The square's easy.
Do what?
The square.
The green circle is the easiest. The blue square is the next to easiest. Well, the blue square is the hard. And then the black diamond is the super hard. So I tell you what, let's stop the video here and let's tighten your boots, okay?